Hey guys, I'm Rob. This is Little Man Cave on the Prairie, and today we're talking about new tires for the Buggy. So these are them. I went with a 38 by 12.5 wide for a 15-inch rim, and it is a TSL Super Swamper. Relatively a very good tire all around, snow, mud, rocks. Decent wear, but soft enough to actually make the difference where it's needed. So as you can see, it's quite a bit larger than the rollers that I had on. These are a 285, which is about a 32.5, I guess you could say. 285/75 on a 16. Now, part of the reason I was going to actually go with 37/16s, mostly because I have 16s, lots of 16s, and 16 is usually an easier tire to find. But when I started looking around, because at first I started looking around for secondhand tires, and decided, well, no, I haven't had new tires in a while, so I ended up getting new ones of these. But when I looked around for my the 37/16s that I wanted, I realized that there's not too many around for secondhand. So if I only got 4 of these, I'm not going to carry a spare. But if I slice one or something like that, I'm actually going to have a hard time trying to find another 37/16 to replace it. Well, that's no good. But then I started looking around, and well, 38/15s, 12.5 wide, are actually quite common around my neck of the woods for replacements. So that was more or less why I decided to go with the size I did. And I also have, these are a friend of mine gave me, Tyler, and I'll clean those up, get them all painted. Just a steel rim, 15 by 10. You know, you're gonna want a 10-inch at least to run a 12.5. But yeah, I'm really digging them. Like, you know, that's a fair size lug. Should do well. You see big time YouTubers running these all the time. I've never had a set. Closest I ever had a set to these groundhogs, which are, I guess, kind of similar, but not really. But yeah, I'm really digging them. The price is great compared to a lot of other tires. These were quite affordable. I was actually surprised. And even with, I guess they've had some hurricanes and dealing with some weather down there where these are made, and they were telling me, oh, it's going to take you 2 months to get them, you know, if you don't mind waiting. I was like, well, you know, I got lots of time working on my buggy. Well, they only took about 3 weeks, and I was supposed to pick them up at 4-wheel drive parts, and they delivered them to me as a surprise right before we left to go check out our new property in BC. So that was really nice. So I'm pretty stoked to get these on, and but I gotta, like I said, I gotta clean up the rims and paint them and do all that jazz first. So if you guys like, hit that subscribe button. If you want to share it or anything like that, give her a go, give it the old thumbs up, and we will catch you in that next one, guys. Take her easy.